Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Tomorrow, where we explore the cutting edge of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into a thrilling topic: 5 AI websites that feel illegal to know, but are 100% free. Trust me, you won't want to miss these incredible tools that can supercharge your creativity and productivity. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Gamma. Imagine being able to create stunning presentations in minutes, not hours. Gamma uses AI to help you design visually captivating slides that grab attention. Whether you're a freelancer pitching to clients or a student presenting a project, Gamma makes it easy to transform your ideas into professional-looking presentations. Plus, it's completely free. You'll be amazed at how much time you save while impressing your audience. Next on our list is Poe. This AI-powered writing assistant is like having a personal editor at your fingertips. Poe helps you brainstorm ideas, refine your writing, and even suggests improvements to make your content shine. For content creators and students alike, this tool is a game changer. Imagine submitting essays or articles that are polished and engaging, all thanks to Poe's smart suggestions. It's like having a writing buddy who's always there to help. Now, let's talk about Leonardo AI. This tool is perfect for artists and designers. Leonardo AI can generate unique artwork based on your prompts, allowing you to explore new creative avenues. Whether you're looking to create illustrations for a blog or need inspiration for your next project, this AI tool can help you unleash your creativity. The best part, you can use it for free. Just think of the possibilities. Moving on, we have Browse AI. If you're tired of manually collecting data from websites, this tool is your new best friend. Browse AI automates the process of web scraping, allowing you to gather information quickly and efficiently. This is especially useful for freelancers who need to conduct market research or students gathering data for projects. With Browse AI, you can focus on analyzing the data instead of spending hours collecting it. It's a total time saver. Last but not least, let's explore cleanup.pictures. This incredible tool allows you to remove unwanted elements from your images effortlessly. Whether you're a photographer looking to enhance your portfolio or a content creator wanting to polish your visuals, Cleanup.pictures makes it simple to achieve stunning results. Just upload your image and watch as the AI works its magic. It's like having a professional photo editor in your pocket. And yes, it's completely free. So there you have it, 5 amazing AI websites that feel like secrets but are absolutely free for you to use. These tools can elevate your work, spark your creativity, and save you valuable time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tomorrow for more exciting tech insights. We're here to help you navigate the future of technology, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.